What was that loud noise, Yaya? Did you hear that? Oh my goodness!
Ow! Ow!
Whoa! Oh no! Let's go check it out. There's nothing out here.
Sister!
Somebody's at the door.
Scissors! Get off, Scissors!
Comment down below what we should do, guys.